So for the beginning of the lab write-up, we need the title right up here. And then we also need the date up here on the right-hand corner. Next, we need the lab goal, because of course we need to know why we're doing the lab. Right under the lab goal, we need the procedure. Now for the procedure, you don't always need to write it because there are many steps. So what you could do is just put C handout. And then you could look at the lab sheet for the procedure. Okay, next we need the data. For this, what you could do is a table, a data table if you want. It would be more organized. And then write your data right there. And then we need the calculations. So for calculations, if you need to do any work, such as finding speed, for example, you can do that here. Now last but not least is the conclusion. So you would write it right here. And with the conclusion, you need the claim, the evidence, and then the reasoning. For the claim, it's the data that you found to answer your lab goal. Now, for the evidence would be the support for your claim as of why you got what you got for the data. And for reasoning, you give an example of how the claim makes sense and how it's logical. Now here's some key things to remember when writing up your labs. Don't use the left side of the paper if you want him to grade something, because he will only grade the right side of the paper. Next, make sure that your information is very clear and concise in a nice order. Now also use units. Let's say you're using distance, use centimeters. Now also, if you do figure out that some data is incorrect, what you want to do is you always want to cross it out,
right
never
here
erase.
Is a well-planned, well-thought-out, organized lab.
Now here's a well-planned out example. Okay, planned out.
I'm leaving. Stop talking, I'm recording. Go.
Now here's a now right here is a well-organized, now right here on the right side of the paper. Now right here is a well-thought-out, well-organized lab. I don't know.
Why did you just